us to eat us in our sleep and in our waking for the decisions that we take on this floor, Mr. Speaker. And I am happy and I will not tire to remind that in fact, Mr. Speaker, there is a second limb to the facts that we have alluded to here, that our own committee on finance and budget, on the advice of the Commission of Revenue Allocation, did propose to this House that instead of the 385 given by the National Assembly, we as a Senate should go with the figure of 407. That is also a fact. That question of 407 or 385 was put to us as a Senate, as a House, as individual senators elected to get every single coin we can for our counties. 22 of my colleagues, whose conscience you can see is gnawing at them, voted against 407 billion shillings. Let their conscience eat them until the day that I die. But you will not run away from a vote that you took. Nobody forced you to vote in that particular manner.
What is the point of order, Senator Cherargei? And as you raise your point of order, please.
Mr. Speaker, is it in order? I'm raising
Senator
under...
Cherargei, I'm speaking.
Okay.
As you stand to raise the point of order, please use parliamentary language. Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, is it in order? And I rise under Standing Order 105 and under Article 93 of the Constitution of Kenya, where it defines Parliament as National Assembly and Senate. Is it in order for Senator Sifuna to continue misleading Kenyans by now shifting goalposts between 407 and 370 billion, Mr. Speaker? Yet for us, who have been in this House long enough, note that it was an increment of 15.3 billion from 370 to 385.3 billion, Mr. Speaker. Is it in order, can Senator Sifuna confirm to the country that there was an increment to allocation to the counties through Dora Bill, Mr. Speaker?
Well, Senators, let us stop this hand-pecking exercise on these figures. The position is, as Parliament, Senator Eddy, this is the position. The bill that went to the President for assent is a bill of Parliament because it was processed in both houses.